up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Lashana Monyette, and this is Monyettes Makeup. Okay, can y'all get into this sleigh real quick for the new year? And before you judge, I know it's like halfway through January, so it's not really the new year, but it's my new year because this is my new upload for 2018. Get into it. But without any further ado, I'm going to jump right on into this makeup look. Please be sure to thumbs up and comment down below any looks that you would like to see me create on this channel in the future. Also, there is a red button down below. It looks about like that, okay? And it has the word subscribe written on it. Go on and press it. I'm gonna wait for you. Okay, now that we got that, okay, thank you. Oh my gosh. I didn't think I was gonna get it. Whew. Oh, let me tell you, up here, there's a button, okay? I think it has like a bell or something in it, in like a little square. Go on and press that too. It's up there. It's up there. Go on, stroll up to whatever you gotta do to find that button and that bell, okay? Go on here. Go on, find it. It's up here somewhere. Somewhere up there. You got that? See, now you're going to get notifications anytime I upload a video. Boom, found it, boom. You got it. See, won't he do it? Y'all got a 2-in-1. Y'all got a makeup tutorial and you got a how to subscribe tutorial. Boom.
All right, so Kiss New York Professional sent me a generous package with some amazing products. But no, this is not a sponsored review, honey. So anything that I say on here is my own personal opinion, and I do have some, so let's get on into it. So Kiss sent me 3 contour kits, one in light, medium, and deep, and I used the medium kit. That contour powder is amazing. It went on so smooth. It's quite buttery and creamy, and I love the color as well. But the problem is the contour powder in that deep kit is a no, okay? If you are a shade, maybe 2 shades darker than me with that melanin, honey, don't waste your time nor your money because it's not going to contour a thing. The kits also came with a brush, like an angled contour brush. I chose not to use that because, yeah, don't use that. Now I'm going to use Kiss Top Brow Pencil in Brunette. I'm just outlining my brows and filling them in as I always do. The pencil was quite lovely. I mean, a brow pencil is a brow pencil. You know, it wasn't too hard, wasn't too soft or creamy. You know, just a standard old brow pencil. It did come with a spoolie on the other end. Honey, those bristles were so small and hard, I thought I was scraping the skin off from around my brows, honey. So I had to get a different one because, look, I don't have brows, so you can't take what little I got. But you can see that the pencil did give me a cute brow. And now I'm just going to clean up the bottom of them. Child, let me specify the bottom of them with my NYX concealer from the NYX Conceal and Correct palette. And I'm going to apply that on my lid for my primer as well. So they also sent me about 15 single eyeshadows, which I was quite shocked because I didn't know they made single eyeshadows. So I just chose a few of them to create this look. And so I've already put on my transition color. Now I'm going in with this purple and I'm just building that into my crease. And now I'm going to apply this lilac color right above the violet that I applied before to blend that into that transition color. Now I'm going to use their Luxury Eye Crayon in white and apply that all over my lid. And then I'm going to use my craft store pencil brush and define that cut crease. Next, I'm going to take this Balm Royal Blue eyeshadow and apply it to the inside portion of my eyelid, not going above that line that I created with this cut crease. This eyeshadow is amazing. It goes on so creamy and so buttery. The only problem with this one and majority of the ones that I use is you have to build them in order to get the intensity of the color that you want. So as you can see, after I apply the blue, I go in with the yellow and then I do a swiping motion between the two to have them blend seamlessly. Next, I'm going to go in with this fuchsia eyeshadow and apply it to the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just going to do the same concept as I did with the blue and yellow, which is apply it and then do a swiping motion between the pink and the yellow so that it is seamless. So as I'm blending, I'm noticing that the colors are still not as vibrant as I want them. So I decided to wet my brush to see if that would make a difference, and it did. So I'm just going back in with a wet brush, applying all the colors. Now I'm going to take the turquoise cream from the Makeup Forever 12 Flash Color Case, and I'm just going to apply that as my liner on the line that we applied the cut crease before, but we're not going to go all the way to the end. And next, I'm just going to clean up the edge using my concealer with an angle brush, and then I'm going to pat that out and blend that on back in. And now I'm just going to get me a little wing going with my Wet n Wild MegaLiner in black and just wing it out as best as I can, because sometimes they may look a mess. Now see, I wasn't going to do it. I was going to stick to the script, but I could not because this look was looking a little bit blah to me. So I'm just adding some glitter, and I'm using Urban Decay Heavy Metal in Glam Rock. Next, I'm going to apply my Kiss Look So Natural lashes in Flirty. And yes, they do look so natural. So I decided to add 2 of them babies just to, you know, make it a little dramatic. Now I'm just applying that same white crayon to my water and lash line, and then I'm going to apply that blue, the yellow, and the pink that I applied on my lid right underneath my lashes. Next, I'm just going to add my CoverGirl Total Tease mascara to get these lashes popping, but they ain't popping enough, so I decided to go in with a few individuals. Like always, everything in this look is optional. You don't have to add this. You don't have to add the glitter. Just make it you. So for my highlight, I started off with the highlight colors in the medium and deep contour kit, which gives you a nice subtle highlight. I ain't even mad at it. But I decided to go the extra mile and go a step further and go in with my MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlighter in Show Gold. And as you can see, this highlight is popping. Now I'm just highlighting my nose in Cupid's bow, and then I'm going to go in right underneath my brow, on my brow bone, and put it right there for that highlight. Do you see that? Yes, that is Now I'm just going to take my MAC Candy Yum Yum lipstick along with some gloss and make what my granny would like to call prostitute lips. And now we have our finished look. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share on your social media if you know someone who would also enjoy it. All of the items and the links will be listed in my description bar, as well as all of my social media handles, so don't forget to check that out. As always, I thank you all so much for rocking with me and watching my videos. And until next time, please remember that none of us are perfect, but we are definitely beautiful inside and out.